So it was after I picked up my children from school, and we were actually heading to gymnastics practice, and I was stopped at a highway. I was gonna try and make a right turn, and I was waiting for cars to come to make sure it was safe to pass, and there was a little bit of room where I kind of could have gone because the car was putting on a turning signal that he was gonna turn, but I decided to wait because sometimes they don't always turn. And the car behind me thought that I was gonna go because the car had its turning light on, and he, rear-ended me. Honestly, my experience was great. Brooks Law Firm would always call me, or law group. They'd keep me informed about every week. I think every Thursday or Friday they'd call me and let me know what was going on with my case. I didn't have to reach out to them, and I loved that. They would send me text messages if they wouldn't call and just let me know what was going on. Emails. So I feel like they were very good at keeping the communication going and let me know what was going on with my case. And they were very friendly, so that was another plus. But my experience with them was great. I would highly recommend them, in my opinion. I feel like they did a great job trying to get me the money to pay for the balances that were on my medical bill, and then some, extra for me. So I really can't say that I'm not satisfied with the group. I think they did a good job, and I'm satisfied and happy with the results that they did.